Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and so sorry that I'm not like ready for you guys. I just got out of the shower because I have class soon, but I really wanted to film this video for you guys and get it up for you. So today's video is going to be my apartment tour. Finally, a lot of you guys have been asking me to do an apartment tour when I'm all moved in, and I've been here for about maybe a week and a half. No, wait. 2.5 weeks. Yeah, 2.5 weeks. And finally got all of the things I need to do done. I hung up all the rest of my stuff that I needed to do, got a few things. So now my apartment is ready to go for you guys, and I can show you guys. So let's just get on with the tour. And if you see me in any of the mirrors, you'll know, or you'll see, that I'm holding a really big tripod because my little one, I need to get a new one. It sucks and it keeps dropping my camera. So that's why I have a really big, enormous, regular tripod to hold. So here's the front door. So when you walk in, you have my kitchen to the right, and then my laundry room, bedroom, and a little pantry to the left. And then in front of us is the living room. So let's go to the left here to the little pantry. Literally nothing too special. It's just a pantry. So this is where I got all my snacks. These double doors open up to the laundry room, and I just keep like toiletries on top and things in that little cart, and then like a mop and a vacuum. Okay, so now for the right side is the kitchen. So here's like an overview. So starting over here, got my little TJ Maxx plant picture, and then I just have my sink with my towel rack and a drying mat to dry some of my pots and pans and things like that. And then in here is just mugs and an overflow of different cups that I couldn't fit in the other one. Moving down here, just like blender, mixers, just some more like type of appliances. And then my garbage and stuff is under the sink, so I'm not gonna show you that because that's gross. And then moving over here, I just have a vanilla cupcake candle, and then I have my Keurig and this little thing to hold my K-cups, and then my 2 teas that I drink every morning and night. Then I have this little fruit bowl, banana hammock type of situation going on. I don't have any bananas in it though. I need to get some, but these are so good, guys. These are from Sprouts, and they're just like rolled oats, peanut butter, and milk, so they're actually pretty good for you, and they're amazing. But I just keep in here some fruit and my fruit strips and just other vegetables that don't need to be refrigerated all the time. And then I have this thing from TJ Maxx, and it holds all of my cooking utensils. I have so many. And then I just have my coconut oil pan over there. And then moving up here, a lot of my stuff's in the dishwasher, so don't mind that. But I just have plates from Target, bowls from Target. There are little plates, but they're all being washed. Whoa, it was like out of focus. And then I have just some little other like bowls for cereal and stuff like that. We have a strainer and some mixing bowls up there. Here we just have my utensils drawer, and then pots and pans. And then here's the oven, and then under the oven here, I just have like some more baking stuff and like cooking things and cutting boards. In here is just like glass cups, and then I have my toaster, my hydro. Look at these salt and pepper shakers. How freaking cute are those? Olive oil, more utensils here, and then some baking stuff down here. So that's basically my kitchen. It's really small, but it's really nice for one person. And then my freezer and my fridge, nothing too special. It's not organized or anything, so don't hate on me. Moving on to the living room area. Right here, it's so awkward. It's like a little nook area. I don't even know where you're supposed to put here, so I just put this little hanging thing from Target. It just holds my keys and has little drawers and a mirror. So Peace out. Anyways, moving on to the living room. So, my one bedroom comes with a little dining table, so it comes with 2 chairs. So I got placemats and a little plant to put on it, and napkins, of course. And then I have a love seat with just a little corally pillow that says Hello Sunshine. Got a little clock over there. My filming stuff and night table that it comes with, and a fan. I put my filming stuff there because I was too lazy to put it back in my room and like take it apart, so I just leave it there. And then I have this little decoration type of thing here. I love this. I love all the plants. And yeah, the main couch, which is like a 2-seater with some curtains back there. They're blackout curtains. Moving on here, got my remote, and then I just have a candle burning from World Market, a Target plant. The marble tray is from Target as well, and some coasters that say Fashionista and Diva. My mom gave those to me. I don't know where they're from though. And then a little book, which I really love that book. If you're looking to up your Instagram, get that book. And then of course, curtains, which I already said. And then that leads to the outside. So that's outside. Oh, by the way, the rug is also from Target. This apartment came with furniture, so it came with this little bookshelf thing, which I need to fill. But I need to hang those lights up, and then I have this gold basket over here that has some blankets. I have a plant, fake plant, of course, and then this little plaque. And then it comes with a 42-inch like smart TV, so it's really nice. So that's just an overview of my living room. So let's head on to the bedroom, my favorite place. So this is my bedroom here. Oh, there you see me in the mirror with my big tripod. So when you walk in, here's like an overview. So we'll start over here in the big mirror. I wasn't kidding when I said I have a big tripod with me, but I love this mirror. It's so big. It's a standing mirror, and I really loved it for the hardware here. I just love this wood accent look, and the colors went so good with my apartment. And I got this from HomeGoods. I believe it was like $70, which is pretty good for a really big mirror like this. So yeah. And then here is the bed. The bed frame, which I really like that it's like that like fake wood style. And then just simple. I really love this comforter. It's from Target. It came with 2 decorative pillows, 2 shams, and the blanket. And I just love the buttony detail that it has on it. I think it's just so cute and really is so like modern, and just gives the room such a nice look. When you walk in here is my dresser that has my clothes in it, which you guys saw what's in them in my apartment closet tour. But I just brought a Samsung 24-inch smart TV so I can have it in my room. And then behind there I just have some signs and lotion and my jewelry box that I got off Amazon in my Amazon Finds video, as well as my sunglass holder, which looks like that, and then this cute necklace holder also from Amazon. Moving over here is the desk area. Don't mind this bag right there. I need to put that in my locker at my art school up at ASU. But anyways, here's an overview of like the desk area. So right over here, I just have like my lamp that has all my pens, pencils, markers, everything I need, charger, whatever. And then stapler, tape, mouse, here's my computer. And then up here is just like a little board, whiteboard, put my goals on there. And then I have my planner, and then an organizer just to hold all of my papers and my bullet journal and things like that. I brought my 9-drawer IKEA drawer. You guys know this was in my beauty room, so you guys already know. My friend made that for me back at U of A, but you already know it has all of my makeup in it, which I did a makeup collection video, so I'll leave that link below, or on the top here in the little card area. And then I have a nightstand that just on the bottom has a photo of me and my big, and I have my Gucci box. I thought it was really cute to display. And then I just have a light up M, an alarm clock. I'm just charging my Apple Watch right now, my remote, and a little photo book that my boyfriend made for me. So yeah, and then I always keep Vaseline or some type of chapstick because my lips always get chapped before bed. And then above my bed here, I just have a little flamingo picture. I think it's so cute and really ties the room together. So in this right here is my bathroom. And my closet, this looks like this. Hello. So I just have my soap and some more soap. Those things are from Target. I have my candle. And then in these is just skincare, hair stuff, and then like extra and stuff like nails and things like that. And then my tools are all in there, my hair tools. And I have a bucket just for bags and stuff like that. And then I have a rug. And then up here, it's like a little medicine cabinet. So I keep my perfumes, deodorant, sunscreen, band-aids, all that type of first aid stuff and everything you need. And then you guys have seen my closet, so let's just give you another overview real quick. Let's turn the light on. And then here is my closet. I just have my summer clothes in here right now, so it looks like I have zero clothes. So yeah. Hey guys, so that completes my apartment tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And it's really tiny, but it really is a good size for one person. So yeah, I really love it, and I think it came together really nice, and I just love like the theme of it and the color. Everything, all the furniture they gave me was so modern and like light and like really nice, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed. I know this was a long-awaited video, but here it is. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions, and I'll see you guys in my next one.